Uh, I'm presenting to you the method which we use in installing an Android in 330. So here is the testing process, not yet installed in the car. This is the testing process. So we test it like this. Then after testing, before we proceed to the installation of the Android into the vehicle. So just watch and see. But as you watch, please like our video, comment your opinion and put a request. Place your order if you need any parts concerning your vehicle, any kind of vehicle, be it Japanese, America, Italian, German, European, any of your car, China, Japan, anyone you want, just let us know and do give us a feedback on this. Thank you very much.
Oh shit, here we go again. 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 Oh shit, here we go again.
This is it. It's about to begin. It's about to begin right now, right now. This is the process. This is the car, the 330 car, the 330 sedan that we are about to install the half Android. There is another Android, the Tesla size. Later, I will be showing you the processes on how to install a Tesla in your Android, in your 330. As time goes on, we're gonna learn much about your Android car stereo. So let's ride on. Let's ride on.
Oh shit, here we go again. Oh shit, here we go again. Oh shit, here we go again. Oh shit, here we go again.
Yeah, this is it. A work well done. Work well done. The Android, everything is working perfect. The interface, the theme selection, all of them are in places. Android ready. Set. Go. Also, the reverse camera is functioning well. You can see this is the rear from the back. It's working very perfect. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow my page, watch out for more videos like this, more video edition and car modeling, other stuff. Look at the back, very clean and very nice. The boot is up. Thank you for watching. Thank you.